Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In our previous video we have learned left join in depth. Today we'll be taking a deep dive into right join with real-life example. So let's get started. A right join is a type of join where all the rows from the right table are returned, along with matching rows from the left table. If there is no match, then the result will contain null values for the columns from the left table. In other words, the right table is always preserved in the results set, even if there are no matches in the left table. Suppose we have two tables, employee and department. Employee table contains employee information and department table contains department information. We can use the right join to get all the department and their employees, including the department who are not assigned to any employee. Here's the SQL code for a right join between the customer and department tables. This code will return a new table that contains all of the columns from both the employee and department tables, all rows from right table but only the matching rows from the left table based on the department ID column. In the result table, if there is no match between the department ID in the department table and the department ID in the employee table, that row from employee will not appear in the result table. And that's it for this video on right join in SQL. I hope this example has helped you understand how to use right join to combine data from two tables. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.